One of the big benefits of using Previs Pro for storyboarding is the true 3D environment. Not only can you get a sense of how things will actually look on set, but you can work with light and shadow creatively. You really can't do that with pencil and paper. So let's cast some shadows. There are two basic types of lights in Previs Pro: lanterns and spotlights. Lanterns emit light in all directions, while a spotlight emits light in one direction. We can work with these concepts to create cool shadow shots. Let's start with a spotlight. Take this shot from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Ooh, that's cool. Place your characters on a set and place a light behind our stand-in Indy. By adjusting properties like cone angle and placement, you can get an idea of what you'll need to do on set to achieve a similar result. How about a cool lantern shot? Tabletop seances are a favorite. Choose a practical lantern for this. Use practical lights for those times when lights are meant to be visible in the shot. Just placing this in the middle of a table is all you need. To make the effect more dramatic, have the light cast shadows onto the surrounding set. Have fun with lights and shadows, and give your next film that extra creative edge.